Will neem oil hurt the vegetables in my garden? This is Lane from Talala, Oklahoma. Okay. So, Alainia, what do you think about that question? Neem oil, you think it's okay for your vegetables?
Yes, you can treat them when it's, you got your temperatures below 90, otherwise it'll burn them. Yeah. So early morning, late evening.
It'll work. Neem oil has contact activity, short residual, so it will dry. The pollinators will be just fine. Okay. But yeah, I would definitely read and follow the label, and it will tell you on the label not to spray if temperatures are above 90 degrees. Right. So neem oil is a good product.
That's great,
right?
Yeah.
It has insecticidal properties and fungicidal properties, as well. So yeah, dual action, in the garden is the neem oil, which comes from the neem tree. Yeah, as a directant.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.